So what you got going on, Scotty?
I bust out some new glass that a customer special ordered to install in their door.
And you got the glass from, or the customer got the glass from where?
It's the building over.
CNC glass?
CNC glass, next building next to it.
So they didn't like the glass that came in the door?
Apparently they wanted a little more fancy than just a plain.
Let's take a look. I'm getting a lot of reflection here. Let me spin around.
Well, if it's easy to see.
Wow.
Almost like a marble look.
Yeah. That's a lot of squares to have to take off.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so you're going to take that glass and you're going to put it in what door?
I got a brown Wayne Dalton 9100 in the back. I'm going to pop this in.
Okay, cool. Alright, let's do it.
Let's do it. Alright. Good to go. Take these in the back. Get them put in. Hi there.
Hey.
Be right with you. Alright. Let's get these things swapped down here. Just loosen up the back side of the frame. You do this with an impact, but when you're tightening them, you want to be real careful so you don't crack the glass. Don't want to crack the glass either way. About as simple as it gets. Back of the frame off. Get under there, give yourself a nice little push. Yeah. Piece. Right, now that I got the frame off and the glass piece out that we're going to replace, I'm going to take the insert out that we're going to replace. You see this is a certain style. I'm going to put a Williamsburg 2 style in. Pop that one in. You see it's got a different, like a sunray design on it. Pop this guy in here. Sitting down nice and snug in there. Alright. Pop the new glass on. That fancy swirly design on there. Nice little tight, little snug fit in there. Alright, that one, I got it right side up here. Just kind of thread these in a little bit, get them started. Make sure I got it lined up right. Right. Make sure these are starting right. Alright. Just make sure when you're crimping these down, you know, variable speed would be good. You can just take it pretty slow. Just speed the process up a little bit using the impact. Make sure you get a nice tight grip on it, but not too much where you're cracking the glass. You can see we got this laying on the sawhorses like this. The sawhorses underneath, right in the middle of the window, so the frame and the glass and all that's not going to fall out. You can also do this when the door is up. Maybe just put a little painter's tape or masking tape on the outside of the frame so the glass and the frame stay on the door, not falling out of the front. That's about as simple as it gets right there. Check it out and show you what the front of it looks like. Alright, like I said earlier a couple times there, you can do all this using an impact if you want, or a drill. You got to be real careful though when you're tightening it. Don't want to tighten it too much and crack the frame or especially the glass. So I like doing this last little step with the hand screwdriver here. Make sure it's all cinched down. Alright. Say we're good to go on that. Let's stand her up. Take a look at the final product here.